create the reverse copy of your object. First, I'm going to draw a circle here, and I'm going to draw two center lines. So first click on the center line, and I'm going to draw a vertical center line here, and also I'm going to draw the horizontal center line as well. And first you select your object, which is your circle here, and click on the mirror command, and click on the vertical center line as your reference, and your object gets mirrored on the other side. And this time I'm going to select both the objects here and click on mirror command, and set your horizontal center line as your reference, and object gets mirrored.